Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Spider-Man ZD Toys Advanced Suit action figure. Thank you very much, Laruanan, for providing this figure for unboxing and review. If you want this Spider-Man or any other ZD Toys characters, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee para makapili or makabili ng iba't iba pang mga toys and brands like ZD Toys, Fonjoy, meron din mga Transformers, may mga custom repaints din ako doon. So, browse nyo lang yung Laruanan, punta lang kayo sa Shopee and you can see all the listings there. So this is the box, front of the box, CD Toys logo, shot of the action figure, Spider-Man logo sa likod. Ang ganda ng box, para siyang a very shiny box. And then Spider-Man embossed na text, advanced suit action figure, tapos Disney na seal, Zongdong Toys na barcode. This is original and authentic. Meron siyang Disney seal and hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. This is the shot of the action figure front and back and then other poses. Side Marvel Spider-Man a text advanced suit. If you open it, this is a magnetic flap. Sa first tray, nandun yung action figure. Sa second tray, nandun naman yung mga accessories. Out of the box, super nice na Spider-Man action figure. Mas maganda to kung dun sa Velocity suit. Mas trip ko to. Alright, shake test muna. Wala namang mga loose joints. Ang armor na to is from the Spider-Man game dun sa PlayStation. This is very nice. Actually, you have the red, the white, and the blue na color combination. White logo, white Spider-Man logo, very large. And gusto ko yung nag-extend na legs dun sa kanyang side of the body. And if you extend, yun nga lang may mga gap. If you extend the body dun sa upper torso, ayan, may gap pa rin siya. Pero at least nagko-connect yung logo and the legs. Okay? Tapos dito sa head niya meron mga web patterns, tapos yung panel lines niya meron din mga black na paint. Paint application is very nice, walang amount of weathering. And also yung suit niya meron siyang overall texture na I think very small square patterns. Alright, let's start sa head. I like the large eyes. Meron siyang black outlines eyes, white yung eyes niya. Tapos, meron din siyang shape na, meron ding contour ng nose. Ganda ng design na yan. And also, you have the chin, white spider logo sa chest.